Top 3 reasons why your Minecraft server is lagging, and how to fix it. Minecraft is one of the most popular games worldwide, and running a server can be a rewarding experience, whether you're playing with friends or managing a large community. However, server lag can be incredibly frustrating for both players and administrators. If you're experiencing lag on your server, it's important to identify the root causes and take action to resolve them. In this video, we'll walk through the top 3 reasons why your Minecraft server might be lagging and how to fix them. 1. Not enough resources. One of the most common reasons for Minecraft server lag is insufficient resources, particularly RAM, random access memory. Your server might not have enough capacity to handle the load from player data, plugins, and other processes. If the server doesn't have enough RAM, it will struggle to process everything at once, leading to lag, slower performance, and crashes. Every Minecraft server requires a certain amount of resources to run effectively. When running multiple plugins, mods, or when there are many players on the server, the load on the server's CPU and memory increases. If these resources are insufficient, your server won't be able to keep up with the demands, leading to noticeable performance issues. Why does this happen? Minecraft, especially with plugins and mods, uses a significant amount of memory to handle tasks like player data, world generation, and entity management. When players are on your server, Minecraft is constantly loading and unloading chunks, processing player actions, managing inventories, and interacting with the world. The more plugins and players you have, the more memory is required. Without enough RAM, the server has to rely on slower hard disk storage, which significantly impacts performance. Another problem is that some plugins or mods may not be optimized for memory usage, causing memory leaks or excessive use of resources. These issues can be hard to spot, but they add up over time, gradually consuming all available memory. How to fix it? Allocating more RAM. The easiest solution to fix lag due to insufficient resources is to allocate more RAM to your server. By doing this, you're giving the server more room to handle all the data it needs to process. If your hosting provider allows for custom RAM allocation, this process is relatively simple. Most server hosting panels like Pterodactyl or Multicraft allow you to adjust the amount of memory your server uses. Note, this only works if you own the VPs of the panel too. Poorly optimized or unnecessary plugins. Another major reason for server lag is adding poorly optimized or unnecessary plugins. Plugins are a great way to enhance the gameplay experience on your server, but if they aren't optimized properly, they can put a significant strain on your server's CPU and memory. Some plugins require heavy processing power, which can slow down server performance over time. Why does this happen? Not all plugins are created equal. Some plugins are resource intensive and can take up too much processing power, especially if they're doing a lot of operations in the background. For example, plugins that modify world generation, track players' movements, or interact with the server frequently can increase CPU usage and cause lag. Another common issue is having too many plugins installed that are doing the same thing. Some plugins provide features that are already included in others. For example, if you're running multiple plugins for world management, economy, or permissions that overlap, you're using unnecessary resources. Additionally, poorly optimized plugins might contain bugs or inefficient code, which can cause them to consume more resources than necessary, leading to lag. How to fix it? Removing or optimizing plugins. The first step in solving this issue is auditing your plugins. Review your plugin list and remove any that are unnecessary or redundant. If there are plugins that perform the same task, consider using the most efficient one or combining their functionality into a single, more optimized plugin. Some useful tools can help you identify which plugins are using the most resources. For example, Timings reports on Paper or Spigot servers provide a detailed analysis of which plugins are causing lag. Use this tool to pinpoint problem areas and identify plugins that need to be updated, replaced, or removed entirely. Additionally, make sure all your plugins are up to date. Developers often release updates to optimize their plugins and improve performance. Keeping your plugins updated can prevent compatibility issues and ensure that they are running as efficiently as possible. If you find a plugin that is poorly optimized, look for alternatives that provide similar functionality but are better coded. A good example would be replacing a memory-hungry plugin with a lighter, more efficient one. 3. Not using plugins that help optimize your server. While poorly optimized plugins can hurt your server's performance, there are also plugins designed to help you optimize and maintain a smooth server experience. These plugins can help manage entities, reduce memory usage, and prevent common issues like excessive chunk loading or mob spawning, all of which can cause lag. Why does this happen? When running a Minecraft server, especially on large worlds with many players, managing entities, mobs, animals, items, becomes critical. Every entity requires memory and processing power, and if there are too many, they can overload the server. Additionally, Minecraft's world generation, chunk loading, and simulation processes can consume a lot of resources if not properly managed. Without plugins that help optimize server performance, these processes can become unmanageable, leading to serious lag. How to fix it? Using optimization plugins. There are several plugins available that help optimize the server and reduce lag. ClearLag. This is one of the most popular plugins for improving server performance. It removes unnecessary entities like mobs, dropped items, and other excess objects that take up server resources. By periodically cleaning up these entities, ClearLag can reduce the server's memory usage and improve performance. Light Optimizer. This plugin is designed to reduce lag caused by lighting updates and block light levels. It also helps clear entities and even has a command to clear memory usage, which can help reduce performance issues caused by memory leaks. World Border. This plugin allows you to set a border around your Minecraft world. By limiting the size of the world, you prevent players from constantly generating new chunks, which can be a major source of lag. It's especially useful on large servers where the world is too big to handle efficiently. Chunk Preloader. This plugin preloads chunks around the spawn area so that players experience smoother world loading as they explore. By loading chunks in advance, it can reduce lag caused by players generating new terrain. These plugins work together to optimize server performance and reduce lag caused by unnecessary entities, memory issues, or poor world management. Conclusion: by addressing these common issues and implementing the right solutions, you can significantly improve the performance of your Minecraft server and ensure that your players have a smooth, enjoyable experience. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share for more Minecraft server optimization advice. Thanks for watching.